How would you rule here, madam? Madam Dagogo, our cultural specialist.
Yes. This is an abomination and repugnant. Live and let live. You don't go about disturbing other people with your generator noise. You also want to
Tell me.
at night. As a custodian of caution, it's not good. Generator pollution disturb or destroy the air, the natural air is good.
I want to suffocate me and my boyfriend.
To make use of generator, it has to be used responsibly. My I suggest that this young man should go and buy a better generator that will not be disturbing people while they are sleeping.
Good.
This case should be.
Thank you, ma'am. Mr. Adubo, what do we do here?
Come on, sir. Come on, sir. You call it come on, but not everybody can afford it. Why should a woman, a bird, what do you call it? A butterfly calling herself a bird? No, I submit to this honorable court that because the boyfriend is not in support of her, that is why he's not physically here.